We will be discussing here about CPA lead. This is a website CPA lead. It's a cost per action lead. I will show you how to work with CPA lead to make money. We will be promoting our affiliate products or their affiliate products through CPA lead. It's an amazing website. Trust me, not many people know about it, and this method or technique is not very common. Not everyone knows about it. So this is an amazing project and technique which I'm sharing with you. You see, it's CPA lead generation offers PPC advertising and CPI mobile app installs. CPA Lead is a private lead generation network specialized in CPA offers, that is cost per acquisition or cost per action, excuse me, PPC advertising and CPI mobile app installs. Since 2007, CPAlead.com has paid out over $100 million to publishers from all over the world with advanced custom tracking and evolved traffic quality measures. Now, trust me, this is an amazing platform, an amazing website to make money. Now, what you need to do is go to you need to come to www.cpalead.com, and then you need to join in as a publisher. Okay, because now here there are two parties, one is advertisers, the others are publishers. Now advertisers are the one who are offering their products, and the publishers are here the affiliate products, mobile monetization, media buyers, display ads. So someone wants to advertise the product now, this is here where they will go, and you want to earn money, so this is here you will click. So you will be joining as publisher here. Let us see. Now join the CPA lead generation network, one click sign away. You can sign up with Facebook or with a Google. You need a Google account, and you just fill up the form and become a member. Now membership with CPA lead is always free, and you will have access to our large inventory of ready to promote niche affiliate products, PPC offers, CPI mobile app offers, and CPA lead generation offers. So just quickly make an account here, and then we will discuss further how to work